Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Kitchen. Today we're making a one-pot meal. I will start by cutting our chicken and then opening our pasta. Guys, this pasta, I love it so much. It's very small. The size, I just love the size. I'm silly, I know. So we used half a packet and then water, salt, cooking oil, and then our green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. They're very small. Then we're going to spice our chicken. I used 7 guns and the other spice, barbecue spice. So those are the 2 spices that I put in the chicken. And yeah, marinade. Most of the times when I use the spices, I don't add salt because they already have salt. So the food will taste delicious even without the salt being added. So after just marinating with my hands, this time I don't leave it to stay for like an hour or so. I just gave it 5 minutes and I was cooking, guys. I'm not lying to you. I'll tell you guys all the crazy things I've done in this kitchen. And then yeah, there we go. We're going to fry our chicken breast. This is what I do to breast. I don't like eating stuffed meat, so I always make recipes with the breast. Oh, and then comes this one. She's disturbing me while I'm cooking. Aye, Effie. Then we're adding our onion and then our green, red, yellow pepper. I loved the size of the green, red, and yellow pepper. If you guys notice, they were very small. Okay, the smell. Then I just added a bit of cooking oil because in the first round there wasn't any, so the frying became a bit difficult. We're just going to fry out tomato. I like to fry my tomato until it's cooked before I start adding other ingredients, because I feel like tomato takes a bit of time to cook, and if it's not well done, it's quite annoying. So we're going to use the is it a chicken? It's a chicken spice or sauce. Then we're going to add our garlic. That was a bit of garlic. But the spice I used, it's a chicken spice. Chicken and mushroom spice, yes. So you can put the whole packet, but since I'm just cooking for 2, I decided to use half, then the other half the next time. You also add milk in the spice. You know, guys, this video, something is missing. Yes, we're back on track. So I didn't have milk and I had to use cremola. Hi, guys, but it was still delicious. Anyway, after boiling just a bit, I now added my pasta because I cooked my pasta on the side, washed my pasta on the side, and then I took it and then added into the chicken sauce that we had made before. Guys, this thing was very delicious. It was nice. I would not lie. And I'm in love with this pasta size. I think I'll be buying baby pasta from today onwards. It's very nice, easy to eat. Ugh, it's just amazing. Thank you guys for watching.